is mean by singular matrix means, see here, suppose A is the given matrix, any matrix you can take. If its determinant value is equal to 0, if its determinant value is equal to 0, then it is said to be a singular matrix. That means you have to find the determinant value. See, what is the value of this A determinant? 1, 2. Change this matrix in determinant form. Okay. Now you find the value for this. How we have to find the value? Approximately you have to subtract. Now you see, if you multiply this, 4 minus 3 2s are 6. You got negative value. Actually, this is not equal to 0. If it is not equal to 0, means it is a non-singular matrix. If the determinant value A is equal to 0, it is said to be singular matrix. If the determinant A value is not equal to 0, it is said to be a non-singular matrix. Have you understood, children? Next I am going to take about inverse of a matrix. It is denoted by, see here. Suppose A is the given matrix. How you can find inverse of a matrix? That is denoted by A inverse. This is the symbol for inverse of a matrix. How you can find this means with the help of one formula, 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. Okay children, adjoint of A. What is mean by adjoint of A? See here. Adjoint of A is nothing but it is the cofactor. You have to find the cofactor for the given determinant and you have to take transpose. See, this is the cofactor. Aij is the cofactor. You have to find its cofactor, then take transpose. This is the adjoint of A. Have you understood, children? What is mean by adjoint of A? Find the cofactor for the given determinant. Then you have to take transpose. And cofactor kandupidichi transpose pannina, that is adjoint of A. Okay, children? Singular matrix means if determinant value A, it should be equal to 0, then the given determinant is said to be, given matrix is said to be singular matrix. If it is not singular matrix means the given determinant A not equal to 0, 0 illama irundaduna, that is a non-singular matrix. What is the inverse of a matrix? It is denoted by A inverse. This is the symbol. How you can find inverse of a matrix means therefore this formula, 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. What is mean by adjoint of A? Adjoint of A means find the cofactor. Already you know, last class I have explained everything about cofactor. Find the cofactor and take transpose of the given matrix. That is the adjoint of A. Now we will move on to exercise problem. See here. Copy down this. Our video is very interesting. Next we are moving on to exercise problem. Our first problem is, see over page number, take page number 12. Find the, see the first question, find the adjoint of the matrix A. What is the question given? A matrix is equal to 2, 3, 1, 4. Already I said, what is adjoint of a matrix? You have to find the cofactor and take transpose. See, adjoint of A is equal to, this is the cofactor, Aij transpose. So first find the cofactor. What is mean by cofactor? It is a signed minor. Already I explained you last class. Minor kandupidichittu you have to put sign. That is the cofactor. So first find the cofactor for this. What is the rank of the given matrix? This is how many row? Etna column irukku? 2 rows and 2 columns. So this is 2 by 2 matrix. What is the sign for 2 by 2 matrix? You can sign varum plus minus minus plus. This sign only I am going to use it in cofactor. Okay. So listen here. Now, which is the first element here? Cofactor of our first element is 2. What is the cofactor of 2? Every kandupidikkanu sollirken. Eliminate the row and column. The element enga irukko, eliminate the row and column this element belong to. Eliminate pannittu remaining enna irukko, that is the cofactor for 2. Appo enna or answer 4. See what is the sign given? Plus. Already here plus now. Appo no need to change this sign. Next, cofactor of 3. What is the answer? Eliminate this row and column. Appo remaining enna irukku? 1. But see the sign plus, the next one is minus. So put minus here. 1. What is cofactor of 1? See, this is 1. Eliminate this. Now remaining 3. But see the sign plus minus. Next one is you have to put minus. For 3 you have to put minus. Okay. Next, what is the cofactor of 4? Cofactor of 4 is equal to, eliminate the row and column. We know our answer 2. Already in the sign plus for 2, it is plus only. So no need to change the sign. But take transpose. That is matrix formula. See here. Adjoint of A is cofactor transpose. Okay. What is the first element? 4 minus 1 minus 3 2. Now take transpose for this. What is mean by transpose? Change row into column. So listen. Row column column row change particular. So what is the answer? 4 minus 3 minus 1 2. This is the adjoint of the given matrix A. Have you understood, children? Like this only you have to find adjoint. This is 2 by 2 matrix. Suppose it is 3 by 3 and what is the sign? Already I said. Plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus plus. This is the sign for 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, note down this problem. Second problem. See page number 12. Next second problem is, see here, A is the given matrix. You have to verify. To verify A into adjoint of A is equal to determinant of A into I. And also find A inverse. Two persons are there. You have to verify this and find the A inverse. See, in that first I am going to take left hand side. What is LHS? A into adjoint of A. What is meant by adjoint of A? You have to take cofactor for this, for the given matrix. This is 3 by 3 matrix. What is the order for this? 3 by 3. So first find the cofactor. See, adjoint of A is Aij transpose. Find the cofactor and take transpose. Okay, right? Take first element. What is the sign for this? Plus minus plus. Plus minus plus. Okay, this is the sign for 3 by 3 matrix. So I am going to find cofactor for first element. Cofactor of 1. Our first element is 1. Eliminate the row and column. Now what is remaining? This one. Take cross multiply. 4 4s are 16. 16 minus 9. What is the answer? 7. Next element is cofactor of 3. What is the cofactor of 3 in the column? This one. This row and column, eliminate this. Now we cross multiply. 4 minus 3. 1. Next one is cofactor of 3. That means you will get 3 minus 4 is minus 1. Now first row over. Next take second row. Cofactor of this row, second row. cofactor of 1. Eliminate this row and column. This element belongs to next remaining you have to cross multiply. 4 3s are 12, 3 3s are 9. So 12 minus 9, 3. Next one is cofactor of 4. What is the answer for this? This one you eliminate. Next one 4 is 4. 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. Next cofactor of 3. What is the answer? This 3. Eliminate this column. This eliminate this 3 and this. 3 minus 3 you will get 0. Have you understood, children? Next take third row. You are going to take third row. I am going to take. So cofactor of 1. What is the cofactor of 1? 9 minus 12. Minus 3. Next, cofactor of 3. What is the answer for this? Eliminate this column and row. Eliminate remaining 3 minus 3 you will get 0. Last element is 4. What is the cofactor of 4? 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. Have you understood, children? Now we have to put sign for this. 3 by 3 can plus, minus, plus. So this is obviously plus only. Next one you have to put minus. Plus into minus, minus now. Okay. Next thing is put minus, plus, minus. Next one is plus into minus is minus only. Minus, plus. Have you understood, children? Now adjoint of A is equal to, write all the elements. Then take transpose for this. What is the element? 7 minus 1 minus 1. Next row minus 3 1 0. Last row minus 3 0 1. Now you take transpose for this. Transpose everything now in a row. Change the column into row. Minus 3 minus 1 1 0 minus 1 0 1. This is the adjoint of the even matrix. Have you understood, children? This is only the value for the adjoint of A. Now what you have to do? The adjoint of A, you have to multiply with A. What is our LHS? Thoda A voda multiply pannu. So listen here. Now I am going to multiply the adjoint of A with the A matrix. What is the A matrix? See here. A into adjoint of A is equal to, this is the A matrix. 1 3 3 1 4 3 1 3 4. With this I am going to multiply the adjoint of A. Adjoint of A என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்க அத கொண்டு நான் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ண போறேன். What is the element here? 7 minus 3 minus 3 1 0 minus 1 0 1. Already in 10th standard you have studied about multiplication of two matrices. You have to take row and column. Multiply பண்ண தெரியும்ல, already you know. So listen. See here. Take this first row and first column. Multiply பண்ணுங்க என்ன வரும்? 7 1 3 is 3. So 7 minus 3 minus 3. Take next row. Multiply with this column 7 minus 4 minus 3. Take third row. Third row கொண்டு multiply பண்ணுங்க. 7 minus 3 minus 4. This is first column. Now take second column. Take this one. Now you multiply with this. Minus 3 plus 0. Next minus 3 plus 4 plus 0. Next one is minus 3 plus 3. 4 zeros are 0. Okay. Next take third column. Last one. You will get minus 3 plus 0 plus 3. Take second row then minus 3 plus 0 plus 3. Next last one is minus 3 plus 0 plus 4. Have you understood, children? Multiply பண்ணி subtract பண்ணுங்க. What you have to get? 7 minus 6 is 1. 7 minus 7 0. Here also 7 minus 7 0. Next column 0 1 0. Third column 0 0 1. 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Now take it as 1. Okay. Like this you have to get RHS also. If RHS is solve பண்ணாலும் same thing you have to get. Okay children. See here. Copy down this. What is RHS? Determinant of A into I. That means find the determinant A value. Alright, A determinant value கண்டுபிடிச்சுக்கோங்க. See here, how you have to find determinant value. Take the given determinant 1, 3, 3, 1, 4, 3, 1, 3, 4. என்ன பண்ணனும்? Find I am going to solve row wise solve பண்ணனும். Plus minus plus. எடுத்துக்கோங்க. Take 1. Remaining என்ன இருக்கு பாருங்க. 4 4s are 16 minus 3. 3 3s are 9. Minus take second element 3. Now eliminate this row and column. Up remaining என்ன இருக்கு? 1 4 is 4, 1 3 is 3. 4 minus 3. Take the third element plus 3. 3 minus 4. So what is the answer? 7 minus 3 here plus 3 into minus 1. So answer is 7 minus 3 plus into minus is minus. So minus 3. 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. This is the value of the A determinant. Have you understood children? Now you have to multiply with the I identity matrix. See? See here, determinant A into I got the value determinant A க்கு நமக்கு என்ன ஆன்சர் வந்திருக்கு 1. 1 into what is the identity matrix? 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. If you multiply with the same thing you will get. இதே தான் உங்களுக்கு வரப்போகுது. So this is 2. Now you see here, obviously your LHS from 1 and 2. We got the answer. LHS equal to RHS. Have you understood children? Just 2 questions given already I said. You got to sum முடியல. You have to find A inverse. Our next heading is find A inverse. See here. What is A inverse formula? 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. Already first substitution itself you find the value. You found the value for adjoint of A. கண்டுபிடிச்சாச்சு. Just you have to substitute here. You know the determinant of A value. That is what? What is the determinant of A value? 1. Just you have to substitute here and you have to solve it. Okay. See. What is adjoint of A value I got? See here. Adjoint of A is 7 minus 3 minus 3 1 0 0 1. This is the value of adjoint of A. Now only the substitute பண்ண போறேன். That's all. So our A inverse is see 1 by what is the value of determinant A? 1 into adjoint of A. Our matrix is 7 minus 3 minus 3 minus 1 1 0 minus 1 0 1. 1 by 1 is 1 only. So what is the answer for this? What is the value of A inverse? 7 minus 3 minus 3 minus 1 1 0 minus 1 0 1. This is the answer for second question. Have you understood children? Often they will ask this question in 5 marks. So do it. See next third problem. See the question in page number 12. Find the inverse of the given matrices. Totally 4 subdivisions are there. Okay children. I will do third subdivision. Remaining you do it as homework. Okay. If you have any doubt you can ask me. Okay children. See third problem. See here, see third question, third subdivision. Third subdivision is, see the matrix is given. This is the third question. You have to find the inverse for the given matrix. What is the inverse formula? First you write the formula. First name the given matrix as A. Put the matrix as A. Now what is the formula? Find A inverse. 1 by determinant of A, adjoint of A. Okay children? That means first find the determinant of A value. The value. What is determinant of A value? See, change this matrix in determinant form. Determinant in change the symbol. Matrix symbol determinant change. Find the value for this. This is 3 by 3. I am going to take first row. What is the sign? Plus minus plus. So now see here 1 into cross multiply 5 2s are 10 minus 0 minus 2 into here also 0 plus 3 into 0 cross multiply 0 minus 0 is 0 only. So 10. What is the value of the determinant A? I got the value as 10. Next find adjoint of A. This and all you should write. Okay. Adjoint of A is cofactor or transpose the adjoint of A. Okay. For this they will give 1 mark. So just you write the formula for this. Now for all the elements find the cofactor. Cofactor of 1. 5 2s are 10 minus 0. That is 10. Next one is cofactor of our second element is 2. What is the answer? 0 minus 0 is 0. Next, cofactor of our third element is 3. Here also I got 0. See 3 na eliminate this row and column. Remaining cross multiply obviously I are getting only 0. Okay. Take next second row. What is the element here? First element is 0. So cofactor of 0. Eliminate this row and column. Remaining you have to cross multiply. 5 2s are 10 minus 0. That is 0. Next cofactor of 2. Now you eliminate this column. Eliminate remaining cross multiply 5 minus 0 is 5. Next last element is 4. So cofactor of 4 is equal to eliminate this row, this column. Upper remaining 0 minus 0. That is 0. Take last row, third row. Cofactor of 0. Eliminate 8 minus 6. 2. Next. Cofactor of second element in last row is 0 now. So cofactor of 0 is equal to 4 minus 0. That is 4. Next, cofactor of 5 is equal to 2 minus 0 is equal to 2. So cofactor kandupidichachu. What you have to do next step? You have to change the sign. Sign maathanu. For 3 by 3 matrix, what is the sign? Plus minus plus. Minus plus minus plus minus plus. In the sign you have to change it. See the first element in 10. What is the sign? Plus now. So no need to change. Here 0 are sign change. See here plus minus plus minus plus. So no need to change. Minus. Next to see plus. But here the second element minus. Here you have to put minus. What is the third element sign? Plus. Already here plus. So no need to change. Have you understood children? Now you have to take transpose. Adjoint of A values matrix. What is the answer? First element 10 0 0. 10 0 0. Next thing is 0 5 0. Last row is 2 minus 4 2. Take transpose. Transpose column row row column this first row column is. So answer 0, 5, 0. Third row 2 minus 4, 2. This is the answer for adjoint of A. இப்போ நம்ம adjoint of A கண்டுபிடிச்சாச்சு, determinant of A கண்டுபிடிச்சாச்சு. Just you have to substitute. ரெண்டே கொண்டு வந்து ஃபார்முலால substitute பண்ணினா you will get the value of A inverse. Write down. Here see here cofactor of 0. 0 is 5 2s are 10 minus 0. 10 minus 0 is here 10 only, sorry. So, அப்ப இங்க என்ன வரணும் 10 plus minus plus அப்ப இங்க minus வரும். Okay children, 10 minus 0 is what is the answer? 10 only. அப்ப sign இங்க என்ன வருது minus. Okay, so 10. Have you understood children? Now I am going to substitute here. See, the substitute பண்ண போறோம். See, what is the A inverse? 1 by determinant of A value is 10 into adjoint of A is 10 minus 10 to 0, 5 minus 4, 0, 0, 2. Okay children, now you solve this. That's all. You don't need to divide பண்ணனும்னு அவசியம் இல்லை. Leave it as such. Have you understood children? Like this you have to do remaining sums. See here. In third sum 4 subdivisions இருக்கு. Third subdivision I have completed. இதே மாதிரி remaining போட்டுறணும். See next fourth sum also the same method. Adjoint of A be given. அப்ப நீங்க என்ன பண்ணனும்? A matrix B matrix just you multiply பண்ணிட்டு you have to find cofactor. அப்புறம் தனித்தனியா கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். This fourth sum, fifth sum and you can do by yourself. If you have any doubt you can ask. Okay children, note down this problem. Totally 5 sums. Okay, maintain your class. Put new note and write. Complete exercise 1.1, exercise 1.2 up to 5 problems you have to complete. Okay children, do example sums also in your rough note. Example sums alone do it in your rough note. Remaining problem put new class work and write. Okay children, if you have any doubt you can ask. Thank you children.